We're waiting. Here's a little. Oh, is there? We can't see your screen. No. I just want the formula, not your calculations. What is the general formula you must remember?
I don't know how to say that.
You mean why that symbol? It's called pi. What's the formula?
Pi times
2 times pi. Okay. Okay. Samantha, what's the formula for perimeter of a square?
What?
What is the formula for the perimeter of a square?
Side.
Okay, y'all take your time to think. I will assign it each of you to one thing. This is Sam. Area of a rectangle. That's Rachel. Circumference of a circle. Area of a circle equal area of a square triangle. Ashley and perimeter of a triangle as Joseph. Joey. Okay, each of you now, you can all see the whiteboard, right? Diane, can you see the whiteboard? Can see, yeah? Can, okay. All right. Then, what's the perimeter of a square?
Samantha, are you there?
Samantha sleeping.
Then, wake up.
Samantha.
Answer something. If you don't know, means say something.
Yours is not constricted.
Not constricted. Yeah.
What's that?
Yesterday also not constricted. Sure.
Yeah.
Oi, faster answer lah. Oh my god.
Samantha, if you don't answer, I'm gonna take off your attendance mark.
Hey, attendance will only be taken once once the class is ended. I'll see how many of y'all already stay here.
What is the perimeter of a square?
Google lah, Samantha. You don't know.
Then I come back
quiet.
later, can?
Sorry?
Cannot. Teacher will extend.
I don't know.
Okay, let's go to area of a rectangle first. Rachel?
Length times height.
Okay, wait. Yep, it's just your, what is it? Length times height.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, or like width times height. Okay, so that means if I give you this square, this rectangle over here, right? Then, okay. This is for cm. Okay. Who was that who answered? Rachel, right? Rachel, if this is the rectangle, what is the area based on the formula that you gave me?
4 times 2 cm.
4 times 2, right?
Yeah.
Oh, why can't I select this thing? There, finally.
Muriel, I salute your patience lah. I don't know how am I gonna have class with
I
them
don't
on
know. This is so
internet.
annoying.
None, they are not even replying. I don't even know if they understand. Challenging with you, and you're so patient.
Sam, I'm giving you one more chance. Tell me what is the perimeter of the square. If now I'm telling you this square is 4 cm on all sides, what is the perimeter of the square?
16.
9, 8, 7,
16.
16. Okay, how do you get 16?
4 times everything.
Yes, 4 cm times 4, right? Because there's all the 4 sides are the same. So you got 16 cm. Okay, question, what is the circumference of a circle? I'll try to draw a circle now. Okay. And I'll tell you that the radius is 5 cm. Okay, question, how do you find the circumference of this circle?
Pi times 5 times 5.
Pi times?
Pi times 5 times 5.
No, that is area of a circle. Circumference is the perimeter. Can you check again your formula?
Since when Chester came in,
2 times?
Times 5.
The formula for circumference, guys, you must remember is 2 times pi times radius. This is a must remember. It never changes, this whole thing. Okay? 2 times pi times radius. So calculate this for me, patient. 2 times pi. What is your radius?
5.
5 cm. Okay. Calculate in your calculator. What do you get?
Sure, so it's just 2.142 times 2 times 5.
What?
Nothing.
You don't write 3.142. You just write the pi symbol in your calculator because sometimes they want it accurate. Unless your question says use 3.14 or 3.142, then you write that in your calculator. Question of the value?
31.41.
42
42.
cm. Okay, is it cm or cm squared?
Cm squared.
No, cm. Squared, the length, perimeter only. Only area will be cm squared. Okay? Okay, Yiko, what is the formula for the area of a circle?
Pi r squared.
Yes, pi times radius squared. Okay, this symbol that I'm writing here, this smiley eye face, right, means power. This one here. Okay, so radius power 2. Okay, using this circle that I've got, what am I going to write? Pi times
5 cm
5 cm squared, correct. Okay, what is the value that you get?
78.54
78.54, correct. What is the unit?
cm square.
Yes, cm squared, correct. Okay, so far who does not understand? Come down. Celine, I don't know what hand signature is that. Yes, I can understand or not? Just have to memorize the formula only. Just have to do that. Very easy. Okay, now continuing to area of a triangle. Draw triangle.
Sebastian, you are so late for class. Class gonna end.
I just woke up. I didn't know that today got Zoom also.
Morning later or later, Sebastian.
You know
Huh?
got attendance, Sebastian.
I don't
And
know.
attendance got marks.
Sebastian,
Huh? What?
Junie there?
Junior, I think still sleeping.
Wow, 很爽哦。
Okay, Ashley.
Very tired.
All right, there's this triangle. The base is, okay, where's my base? Okay, my base over here is 5 cm. There's two heights. Which one am I going to look at? 4 cm or 6 cm?
6.
Why got two high one?
Okay, look carefully. This 4 cm, right? This is 4. Which is the diagonal? Which is the 90 degrees? Is it the 4 cm or
6.
4?
Oh,
4. 4 is the
5.
90 degrees height. So you must always see the one that is 90 degrees from the base. This height. Okay, so you will not look at 6 cm for the area. You will only see 4 and 5. Okay.
Okay.
4 and 5. This is your base. This is your height. Okay, so using that, yeah. Okay, actually, what is the general formula for the area of a triangle?
Half times base times height.
Half times base times height. Okay,
Yeah.
is in this question half times what's your base?
5 times 4.
Yes, 5 cm times 4 cm. Okay, and how much is that?
10.
10 cm squared. Okay, so remember this is still area, so it must be cm squared. Okay, Joey, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now for perimeter, will you only look at 4 and 5?
No.
No, where will you look at?
4, 5, and 6.
Correct. So, because that is all the outside area of the triangle. Perimeter very easy. You just have to do what? What must you do to find the perimeter?
4 cm plus 5 cm plus 6.
Correct. Okay. So all together that is how many cm?
15.
15 cm. Okay. So that is basically it. This whole section, you just have to remember the formulas. How to find the perimeter and area for square, for triangle, for rectangle. And then for circle, it's circumference and area. So once you understand these basics, then you can start doing your composite shape. Okay, so composite shape is where if you continue back here. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. before we go to, I think composite shapes, I'll continue with y'all at 2 o'clock because I want y'all to understand half circles. Okay, so far this is a full circle. You understand on whole circle, circumference is 2 pi times r, and the area is pi times r squared. But if you are given half a circle in your question like this, okay, basically the same formula earlier that you used. This formula, you are just going to half it for a semicircle. Half times 2 pi r. So what will you get? Half times 2 cancel out, it becomes 1. Correct? So you just have pi times r. Now, who does not understand this so far? Where's my screen? Okay, if you understand half a circle, please show me your thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Thumbs down, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs halfway. Mana tu?
One more time, eh?
Okay, let me try to explain again. Okay, let me see. How do I annotate this?
I share.
Okay, so if here everything. Okay, this is a full circle. Full circle, your formula is circumference is 2 times 5 times r. Area is 5 times r power 2. Okay, this is for full circle. Where this is your radius. Okay, but if in the question they suddenly give you a half circle, yeah, a half circle symbol here. Okay, let me try to simply draw one. Okay, say you have this half circle and they tell you that this whole length is 10 cm. Okay, Alicia, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me in this half circle, what is the 10 cm? Is it a radius or diameter?
Radius. Or diameter.
Okay, this is the diameter, correct? Why? Because it's half the length, right? So if the diameter that you have here is 10 cm, what is your radius, Alicia?
5.
5 cm, correct. Okay, very good. Let me see. So actually your radius is 5 cm. Now, if you have to find the circumference and the area of this half circle, what you'll have to do is this earlier formula, right? The same thing, just that because this is half a circle, all you have to do is times this whole formula by half. So half times 2 equals what, Marcus?
Half times 2 equal what?
1, right?
One.
So 1 times pi times r, correct? So 1 times pi times r is basically pi times r. Understand so far? This is for circumference. Okay, now please show me your thumbs up or down if you understand or not. For circumference for half circle. Understand? Okay. Who does not thumb down? Okay, I'm gonna take it that y'all understand. Okay, continuing. So if I tell you, right, this is circumference for half a circle. Okay, let's compare. Ashley, can you calculate the circumference for a full circle if the radius is also 5 cm?
For the half circle,
For the full circle. What is the circumference for the radius 5 cm?
31.4.
31.42 cm, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Celine,
Yes.
calculate the circumference for the half circle, which is pi times 5 cm. Also same radius, right? But this is half a circle. How much do you get? Wait,
15.70.
15 point?
0.70796.
71. Okay, so do you see this circumference for a full circle is 31.42. Circumference for a half circle, even though it's the same radius, is half of this. 31.42 divided by 2, you will get 15.71. Try and see. You all get that? Okay, do you see the circumference of the full circle is twice that of the half circle. So that's the only difference because you half the formula. So what about area? Marcus, do you think that the area of the half circle will be half the area of the full circle?
You're asking who?
Marcus.
What?
Okay, that was circumference, right? What about area? Do you think that the area of the half circle is half the area of the full circle?
Who?
You lah.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Correct. Because, okay, this is the general formula. Area of half circle. The same formula, right? You're going to half it again. So 1/2 times pi times r squared. So that's the only difference. This is times half. This one times half is the area for a half circle. Another name for half circle is semicircle. Do you all see that? Okay, so basically, okay, so that's the only difference when you find it out. Okay, so there's example questions here also where I give you circumference of a semicircle. This is the radius, 10 cm. So pi times 10, 31.42. Area. Okay, now this question is like what I asked Alicia earlier. This 12 cm is not the radius, this is the diameter. So the radius is 12 cm. Okay, now there's composite examples, right? I want you to read it yourself. Afternoon around 2 o'clock, I will come back with this. It's composite shapes, example 1 and 2. Please read it up first. Okay, try it out yourself, then you can check the working that I've already given you. Okay,
Later class is at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Okay.
Still got teacher.
Yeah, still got. Unless you want me to finish it now itself. How many of you can stay on now for another hour to explain the composite shapes? You want to just finish it now?
总看到你啊。看到你。
Just finish ah.
Finish, ah? Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay, now composite shape is basically when they combine one or two shapes or more shapes all together to form something new. Okay, Youngjun, what two shapes do you see here?
Huh?
What is
Cannot
shape?
hear answer.
Okay, wait. Composite shape is when they combine. Who is that lah?
Hello eh.
Okay. Okay. 1 second. Okay,
Show us
can you
iPad.
hear me?
iPad is
Very
Zian.
small.
Oh.
Hello?
Can.
Can hear you. Okay. So do you see there's two shapes here? I wrote 1 and 2. What is shape 1?
Square.
No.
Oh, rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. What is shape 2?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. So that means when you are going to find the perimeter of this new shape, okay? Am I going to find... Okay, wait, let me draw this out first. Am I going to cluster all of these together?
Yes.
Youngjun says yes. Sebastian, do you agree?
No.
Is Sebastian still on the call?
Yeah. Cannot hear me, man?
SPE.
Can hear me or not?
So can I leave ah?
Sebastian?
Nah, I forgot to open my mic.
Youngjun, you answered yes, right?
No.
No, you said no. Okay, why? Because you will not include the middle one. You won't.
Youngjun, I thought you said you want to leave.
Very lag eh.
You will only calculate the outside area. Okay, so it's 5 plus 14 plus 9 plus 6. That is the full perimeter of this first shape. Very easy. Okay, this is the perimeter of the full shape. 6 plus 5 plus 14 plus 9.
Muriel, someone's background is really very noisy. It's your voice is sinking because of that sound, background sound.
Can you all mute then I won't ask you all to answer me. You all mute and then just hear me.
Okay.
Unless you have a question, then you unmute and you ask. Okay, can everyone please mute their screens?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm muting all of you. Mute. Okay, now you can all hear me clearly, right? Just show your thumbs up. Okay, good. All right, now back to composite shapes. If I was to find the area of this shape, okay, the area of this shape, I will have to find two areas. First will be the rectangle, this first shape, and the second area will be the triangles area. So area of a triangle, okay, there. You see here, you must calculate the total area of the shape, which will be, where's my annotate? Okay. Okay, the total area of the shape. So area 1, okay, normally in your exam also you can do the same thing. What you do is you will write, Okay, you draw a 1 in your rectangle and a 2 in your triangle. So that when you're writing out your working, you can tell me area 1. Then I know, oh, area 1 you're referring to is this rectangle. And this area is length or width times height, which is 5 times 6. So you already straight away you found the area of your rectangle. Very easy because this is the first shape. The second shape is your triangle. And your triangle is a very simple formula. So half times base times height. Now remember what I said earlier about the height. You will not be seeing, you will not use 9 cm because this is not the 90-degree height. The 90-degree height is this one. Okay. So you will see this H and this base. So how to find the base? Because they have told you that this whole length is 14 cm. Okay. This whole length is 14 cm. And this length is 6 cm. So to find the balance is just 14 minus 6. You know that that is 8 cm. Your base is 8. This one here. Okay, coming back to the video, please give me a thumbs down if you don't understand what I was talking about base. If you do, thumbs up. Okay. Marcus, is that a yes or no? Yes, okay, good. All right, so that is your base. Then height, you will take 5 cm, not 9 cm. So just half times this 8 cm here times the 5 cm height. Okay, you will get 20 cm squared. So altogether, the composite, the combined area is area 1 plus area 2, and you'll get 50 cm squared. Okay. All right, does everyone understand the first, where is it? Does everyone understand the first example? Yes. Any no's? No, ah? Okay, I'm going on to the second example. How do I get out of this? All right, going on to example 2. Now this example 2, there's also two shapes. First is a rectangle, which I already showed you is shape 1 here. Shape 1 is this rectangle. And shape 2 is the half circle, semicircle. Okay, so to find the perimeter of this whole shape, you are going to only look at the outside area. Okay, you will not include this length. You only carry on with the outside. So what does that mean? I have to know, okay, I'm going to plus 6 with 12 here, so it's 12 cm. But how to find out what is the length over here? This is where I must use my perimeter or circumference of the circle, circumference of half a circle. So if I want to find the, what do you call this, circumference of this half a circle, I must know what is the radius for the calculation. So remember your formula for circumference for half circle, semicircle. Okay, is 1/2 times 2 pi r, which is pi times r. What is your r? Let's see. Let me ask Celine. Celine, can you unmute your screen? Okay. What is the radius of this semicircle? Do you know how to find it?
What?
How to find the radius of this semicircle? Okay, I'm gonna give you remote control so you can draw on. Celine, what's your name? What's your ID?
Huh?
Okay, never mind. Okay, how do you find the radius of this semicircle? Do you know where to look? Oh, so
No.
you're not gonna understand. Okay, this arrow here that I've just drawn, is this the radius or the diameter? This one.
I don't know.
No. Does it look like half of the circle length?
It's a diameter.
It's the diameter, correct. So to find the radius, which is half of it, if this full thing is 6 cm, right? This full thing is 6
Lúc
cm.
thầy quan nào ha?
So half of it is
Quan nào
how
ha?
many cm?
3.
3 cm. Okay, so that is your, what is that? Your diameter or your radius, the 3 cm?
Diameter.
What?
Which one?
This one, this half here. You said this is the diameter because it's like, imagine if this was a full circle, you're cutting it by half. This is the diameter. So this is half of a diameter, which is your radius. Okay, your radius is. Okay, can you mute your screen now?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so erase. Okay, so if I was to go in, okay, now let's see the perimeter question. You already know that the perimeter for this area that I've highlighted in green is 6 plus 12 plus 12. So that is 30 cm on this side. Then to find for the half circle, the second side of the perimeter, over here, it is pi times r. Remember the formula for half a circle, pi times r. Okay, and r is 3 cm because you already know that here is 3 cm, the radius. So that's how you get 9.42. Okay, the diameter is 6, the radius is 3. Okay, understand so far? Wait, I'll clear all my drawings. Okay, now if you were to find the total perimeter of the shape, it's this first one, this 30 cm, plus the 9.42 for the part 2. Altogether, you get 39.42 cm, and that is how you find the perimeter for the whole composite shape. Okay, I'm coming back to the video. If you understand, please show me a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down, and then unmute and tell me which part you don't understand. Ashley, Iko, Vernice, do you all understand?
Yeah.
Yep. Marcus, Sebastian, Joseph, Junan. Wait, is Junan still there?
Yeah.
Okay, you all understand, huh?
Yeah.
Who wants me to repeat? Please tell me now. Okay, I'll take that as no one. Okay, now this is your example 2. This is the perimeter, just to find the perimeter. The next part is you must find the area of the whole shape. Okay, so remember area of this shape is first the area of the rectangle, which is 6 times 12. Correct? Very simple to find the area of the rectangle. But you must also find what is the area of the semicircle here, this area. Okay, so how do you find area of semicircle? You must go back to the formula earlier that you had. There. Area of a semicircle, it's half times pi times r squared. So again, you must know what is the r, and you already found that the radius is 3 cm. Okay, going down to perimeter area. Okay, area of shape 1 is 6 times 12, 72 cm squared. The area of 2, which is a semicircle over here, semicircle alone, okay, is half times pi times r square, where your radius is 3 cm. So you put in your calculator, 1/2 times pi times 3 squared. Okay, you will get 14.14 cm squared. Yeah, 14.14 cm squared. Once you already found the area of part 2 and the area of 1, what do you have to do next, Ashley?
What?
Once you already found the area of the rectangle 1 and the area of the semicircle 2, what do you do to find the total composite shape area?
Plus it together.
Yeah, just have to plus it together. Okay, so 72 cm, which is the first area, and the 14.42, which is the area of the semicircle, add together, you get the total area is 86.14 cm squared. That's all you have to do. So basically, composite shapes, always break it down first. Break it down to the different smaller shapes that you can see, find each of the area, and then plus together. That's all you have to do. So this is your how composite shapes work. And then this is where I gave you 2 worksheets for maths. Okay, wait, let me try to show it. Stop share. 1 second. Okay.
Chester, are you there?
Chester, I didn't take
Yes.
your attendance earlier because I didn't hear anything from you so far. Are you there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what was I talking about the first lesson?
G.
Diameter and radius.
The first lesson, the 10 o'clock one. I mean, the first
Why?
part that I started.
Math.
Math. Wow, very smart answer. You are.
Correct, what?
Okay lah, okay lah. But I hope you know how to do your questions. Okay, now you all see the, wait a second. Do you all see the grade 8 maths here?
Yep.
The classrooms, Google Classrooms. Yeah.
Chester.
Okay, do you all see the Google Classrooms maths page? Thumbs up.
Can hear me or not, Chester?
Hello. Okay.
Can.
All right. Okay, so I gave your classwork. There's 2 worksheets here. Okay, first and second. Okay, let's look at this one first. Okay, so like you see all of this, right? Basically, this is easy because it's just different rectangles put together. Okay, and like for example, if I was going to look at question 1, right? Yeah. Okay. Question number 1, I would split my rectangle into 2 shapes. I will choose this. Do you know why I choose to break it as 1 and 2 like here? Yeah. 1 second. Shape 1, shape 2. Okay, because I know that okay, if I know this is 7 cm and I know this is 6 cm, how many cm is this little corner here? Joey. Lim Joey, please unmute.
8 cm.
Wait,
What?
this one, this one. Okay, I repeat. Okay, this is 7 cm, correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. This one is how many cm?
6.
Okay, so if here is 7, here is 6, how tall is this last arrow?
1 cm.
1 cm, correct. Okay. So you know this is 1 cm. Yeah. Okay, so alright, if you were going to find the area for shape number 1, Joey, how to find the area for shape number 1?
8 times 1.
Correct. 8 cm times 1 cm equals to 8 what? What's the
8 cm.
cm only? Yeah.
Square.
Yes, cm squared. Okay, this is area for 1. What about area 2, Marcus?
Area 2.
What is the area for area 2?
5 times 7.
Yes, 5 cm times 7 cm. That would be 35 cm squared. Okay, so the total area is? What's the total area?
43 cm square.
Yes, because it's just 35 plus 8 and you'll get 43 cm squared. Okay, so the same thing you can do for the other questions. You all do it yourself. Now let me explain for perimeter. Okay. Perimeter of the whole shape is 5 plus 7. Okay, Christine, you add up for me. 5 plus 7 is? Yes, Christine. Oh, unmute first. Oh, it's already unmuted.
Christine, our friend just entered.
Yeah, I know. That's why I called her out. Christine, what is 5 plus 7? Hello.
Faster lah, adding only ma.
Wait, something wrong with her mic, is it?
Oh.
Can't hear you. Click on your mic. Your mic. Talk. Okay. Okay, never mind. Let's ask Joseph. Joseph, loud and clear.
Hello.
Give me the perimeter. 5 plus 7?
12.
12. Okay, then plus this length. What length is how much?
Teacher, Christine might got some problem, so
Yeah, it's okay. I as long as you can hear. Christine, you can hear me, right? Yes, okay. Joseph, what is length that I just drew out here?
13.
13. How do you get 13?
5 plus 8.
What?
5 plus 8.
Yeah, 5 plus 8. Okay, because the 5 cm, which is here, and the 8 cm, which is here. Okay, good. So, you know, this is 13. Okay. Okay, 5 plus 7 plus 13 so far is?
1.
How much, Joseph?
1.
Wait.
5 plus 7 plus 13. How much so far?
5.
20.
13?
20.
Huh?
25.
25.
Sorry.
25. 25 plus what? This one how much?
1 plus 1.
Plus 1. 26. 26 plus 8?
26. 34.
34. 34 plus 6? 40. So what's your answer?
40 m.
40 cm. Okay? Okay? Done. That's your first question. So that's composite shapes. It's so easy. Okay? This is your first sheet. I want you all to make sure you all try this out because I actually want to discuss with you guys by 2 o'clock today. Wait a second. How do I get rid of this thing? Oh, there. Okay. All right, but the more complicated one will be this worksheet. Because this worksheet, some of it you have to think a bit out of the box, okay? Okay, like for example, question 1, you see that they're asking you to find the area of the figure. That they mean the gray area. So you mustn't find the whole area of the triangle plus the circle and add it together. That's wrong. Okay, where is the gray area? The gray area is only the triangle. Okay, wait, where's drawing? You see, right? It's like if the triangle had an area, then you minus out the area of the circle inside of it. Then only you will get the shaded area. Okay, so that means all of it, so you must see carefully. This question number 2, question number 2, it's a triangle and a semicircle. Question number 3, it's a square that you must minus out the area of the circle inside of it. Okay, take note, all of this is just to find the area. Don't bother to find the perimeter. They're not asking you to find perimeter, just find area alone. Okay, so y'all try this out, and later 2 o'clock, by 2 o'clock, I will upload the working. Y'all look at the videos. If you don't understand, that's where you can ask me at 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock might be a short call. That's where you ask me what you do not understand. Okay, can you all get it?
Yes.
Okay, let me take your end of class attendance to make sure that those who were here earlier are not gone.
Jeffrey, later we'll ask.
Jeffrey, I think it's right because his camera and all isn't working. Younghui, you there? Okay, I see your hand. Okay, then who is this? Rachel, yeah, okay, you were there. Celine, Joey.
Don't take Sebastian attendance.
Yeah, Sebastian is so halfway, yeah? Not
Yeah,
complete.
Sebastian.
Esther,
All my class students all halfway.
So Yongjun.
Youngjun, okay. Jeffrey is accounted. Samantha, Hoishan, Alicia, Christine, Nico, Joseph, Marcus, Ashley, Bernice. Okay, good job all of you. See y'all at 2 o'clock. Please get your friends to wake up and slap their face virtually if you can. Okay, bye.
That's now only on.
Bye.
Bye.
Go for the class.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.